Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can cash out in Cash App. So what basically cash out means is cash out means taking your cash from your Cash App into real world, and how you guys can do that is by transferring it into your bank. Now basically you guys can't just pull out money from your Cash App using your phone with your hand. It's not possible. Alright, you need to transfer it to your bank, and from there you can take it out using an ATM card or a debit card. Now why you want to do that is basically Cash App is not going to work in every single place. There are going to be some people who do not know Cash App. So when you're in that situation, you can transfer the money into your bank, and you can pull out the money from ATM or other stuff. Alright, so that's basically what this cash out thing is. So let me tell you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video, because we're going to be bringing more of these Cash App related videos into the future. So let's get into the video, shall we? So basically what you want to do is you want to go into your Cash App and first you want to link your bank account on your Cash App. How you can do that is you want to click on this small house looking icon. Now in my screen there is a house looking icon, but in your screen it might show you the amount of balance which is available in your Cash App, which means $10, $20 or $100, how much money you have on your Cash App. Alright, so you want to click on it. Once you click on it, what you want to do is you want to click on link bank. It's either going to show you link bank or it's going to show you linked accounts. Alright, so you want to click on it, and once you're over here you want to click on no card. And if you clicked on linked account, what you want to do is click on the plus icon with where it says link bank. So you just want to click on it to link your bank, and you want to click on continue over here. It's a terms and service regarding the bank. Now once you're over here, you can choose your bank, whichever bank you have. If you can't find it over here, search it using its name. So for example, let's say Chase Bank is my bank. I can click on Chase. After clicking on Chase, I can enter my user ID and my password, and after entering my user ID and my password, it should be added into my Cash App account. Once it's linked with my Cash App account, the other step what we want to do is you want to go to this place over here, back at the place where the small house looking icon or the amount of cash that is shown in your Cash App. You just want to go over here. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says cash out. Now since I have $0 in my Cash App, it's not showing me anything, but if you have a certain amount of balance in your Cash App, it's going to show you this screen, and on this screen it's going to show you these two options at the bottom, which means transfer and instant transfer. So if you use the first option, it's gonna take you 2 to 3 business days to transfer your money from your Cash App to your bank. So you just have to wait for 2 or 3 days. But if you use this instant over here, it's gonna charge you a certain amount of money, but it's gonna transfer your money into your bank instantly, like in a single day or like in a single hour. Alright, so if you want your money to be transferred instantly, you can use this, but remember, it's going to charge you a certain amount of money. But if you do not want to get charged any money, you need to wait for 2 or 3 business days. Choose whichever option you like, and after choosing it, your money will be transferred into your bank, and from there you can take your money out. That's basically what cash out means, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So hope you guys found our video helpful. If you did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.